Hello YouTube, it's Dr. Pete, chiropractor, and we're gonna just start displaying some of the treatment videos. Hopefully y'all enjoy.
I get
So the headaches are lessened then?
the spot that initiates the problems is less.
Okay.
We're still working on the rest of it. Face down.
Yeah, if you want to take your glasses off, just in case. Face
So
down.
many pieces. But kind of the right shoulder is still. They tell me I have a minor form of scoliosis, and so I'm sure that affects everything. But I don't know how you do with that.
Right in here. Just kind of feel help induce curve. I'm just gonna hold some points and stab it. Down these trigger points. Deep breath. Exhale it out. There we go. Feel that?
Mm-hmm.
One more time. And out. Perfect. Next time you flip over, face up. Easy does. Let's take some of this.
I do have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
I usually have a spot right here that I can find that
Okay.
feels like I'm touching something that like a nerve, like a punch.
Mhm.
And then occasionally, if I get my neck in the right position, I can feel almost what feels like a tendon move or something, and I don't have any idea what that is.
Mm.
Do you, like as far as the anatomy goes back there,
Yeah,
what on
well,
earth would
you've
be?
got the vertebra here, and then you've got the paravertebral muscles right in here.
Okay.
And then you comprise the scalenes and whatnot, and then you also have the what they call the SCM, or the sternocleidomastoid muscle that runs here. And you know when you turn, and then that muscle comes out. That's what kind of goes through there too. But then the muscles then run into the traps right here too. So then you'll have the tendons connecting the bones to the muscles themselves, and that's probably what you're feeling.
It's very strange.
Yeah, but your lower cervical nerves, they come out of the
Yeah, right
vertebrae,
there.
and so you push on them, then you'll have that. You'll feel the shooting.
It's very it's a very nerve-like pain.
It can feel like someone sticking you.
Yeah.
Right.
It's very instant.
Hot, like a hot poker. Yeah, when you do that, that's definitely the nerves that you're firing off.
Good luck.
I definitely can feel the tightness and
Yeah,
the
I'm
restriction.
trying to be relaxed, but I can feel it.
I'm just gonna
It's
loosen
always
you
that
up.
right side.
I'm just gonna loosen you up first. And you say good luck.
Oh, it's one of my goals in
Yeah,
life,
we're
so.
going with this, Perfect. How'd that feel? Yeah. You felt it though, right?
Speechless.
Yes.
I told her I was like, we need to get massages this week. She's like, no. The last one was.
The last
we
one
got
made me
was
like
really
sick for
painful.
3 days. It was
For real?
so, yeah, it was just, I need to like do it more often or hydrate more. So
This
it's
must
like
have released a lot of
toxic.
toxins. Yeah, yeah. Head up slightly. Stick this pin on there, basically like a scarf, right? I'm gonna use it to help traction your whole upper body. Okay.
I don't know what that means.
Basically, decompress things and give the vertebra space. All right, I'm gonna have you close your mouth and make sure you don't bite on your tongue, and then we'll use this. Yeah.
Oh.
You feel that? Right on. Next, across your arms or your chest. One. Do one underneath the other, like so. Right here, on the ground, around. Oh, I hit that area earlier. Okay. Lower back's good.
Yeah.
Okay. Just check your leg length here. Alright, this one's the shorter one.
The left is the shorter one?
Yeah, yeah, you're short by like a
Half.
quarter,
Quarter.
3/8 of an inch, so we'll loosen up this knee, bring it out there, just relax, a little traction down. Alright, now you're
Interesting.
come on up,
Adjust that.
you're all set.
Thank you.
Just soon as hey, it's Dr. Pete. Alright, YouTube, hopefully y'all enjoyed those videos. We had some good action from the patients. Please remember to hit like and subscribe. Thanks again.